Right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a new toy in the shed. 1977 British Seagull outboard engine. As you can see, it's a bit of a sorry state. I rescued it last week. It'd been out in the weather and all sorts of stuff. It was covered in crap. Give it a quick wash. I've cleaned the carb out, checked we've got a spark, which amazingly we've got one. I'll put some fresh fuel in it, and now on the first start, see if it goes. There we go. Quick wrap, quick prime. Another one lives to see another day. Let's get the prop off, stick it in a bucket of water and see if it'll pump. Gotta keep cool. Alright, we've deployed the bucket. Give it a turn. See if we've got any coolant. Where did I put the rope? There it is on the floor. Oh, massive shed, still lose things. Right, here we go.